Good morning, student. This is chapter number 8. You can't be that. Let's start reading. Look at these pictures. Identify the professions that are shown. Here below some pictures are given. We have to find their professions and write them. First one is pilot. Second one is doctor. Third one is fireman. Fourth one is dancer. Sixth one is farmer. Sixth one is lawyer. Now speak about what you want to be when you grow up. Here you have to speak what you want to be when you grow up. जब आप बड़े हो जाओगे तो आप क्या बनना चाहते हो. Now turn on the next page. Some children dream of becoming pilots, doctors and engineers when they grow up. Read what the speaker wants to be. देखिए, every student has different dreams. Someone wants to become pilots, doctor, engineers, etc. Now, but in this story we will know about the dream of what the speaker, narrator wants to be. I told them when I grow up, I am not going to be a scientist or someone who reads the news on TV. No, a million birds will fly through me. I am going to be a tree. They said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. Here, narrator is saying, when I grow up, I am not going to be एक साइंटिस्ट. ना तो मैं कोई साइंटिस्ट बनना चाहता हूँ, ना ही कोई न्यूज़ पढ़ने वाला टीवी में. आई वॉन्ट टू बी अ ट्री. मैं एक ट्री बनना चाहता हूँ. वेयर मिलियन ऑफ बर्ड्स विल मेक देयर नेस्ट ऑन मी एंड टेक रेस्ट. बट दे सेड, हियर हिज पेरेंट्स सेइंग, यू कांट बी दैट, you can't be that. They disagree their decision. I told them when I grow up, I am not going to be an airline pilot, a dancer, a lawyer or an master of ceremony. No huge whales will swim in me. I am going to be an ocean. They said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. Here narrator is again said, when I grow up, I am not going to be an airline pilot. मैं कोई पायलट नहीं बनना चाहता. No a dancer, lawyer or a master of ceremony. I want to be an ocean. मैं एक ocean बनना चाहता हूँ. Where huge whales will swim in me. But his parents again said, you can't be that, you can't be that. They disagree with their decision. Next stanza. I told them I am not going to be a DJ, a computer programmer, a musician or a beautician. No streams will flow through me. I will be the home of the eagles. Again poet is saying, I am not going to be a DJ. मैं कोई DJ disc jockey मैं नहीं बनना चाहता. Not a computer programmer, not a musician, not a beautician. Beautician a person whose job is to give people beauty treatment. जो people को beauty treatment देते हैं, मैं ना वो बनना चाहता हूँ. No, I will be the home of the eagles. मैं eagles का home बनना चाहता हूँ. Now turn on the next page. I will be full of nooks, crannies, valleys and fountains. I am going to be a range of mountains. They said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. Again poet is saying, I want to be a mountain where valleys, fountains will flow on me. But his parents again disagree. They said, you can't be that, you can't be that. I asked them just, what do you think I am? Just a child, they said. And children always become at least one of the things we want them to be. Again poet is asked them, what do you think about me? He is asking from his parents. Her parents' response was just a child, and children always become at least one of the things. His parents was saying, you have to achieve one aim. That again हम आपको आपके करियर से रिलेटेड हम आपको जो बनाना चाहते हैं, you want to be. They do not understand me. I will be stable if I want smelling of fresh hay. I a lost glade in which unicorns still play. They do not realize I can fulfill any ambition. They do not realize that among them walks a magician. Brain pattern. Again poet is saying, my parents are not understanding me. I want to be a stable. स्टेबल अ बिल्डिंग वेयर हॉर्सेज आर कैप्ट. हॉर्सेज के होम को हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्टेबल. आई वॉन्ट टू बी अ स्टेबल वेयर अ फ्रेश स्मेल. हे. a lost glade in which unicorns still play. I want to be a magician. I want to be a glade, lost glade. I want to be lost in forest where unicorns. Unicorn means क्या होता है? A magical horse होता है जिसके सिर्फ वन हॉर्न होता है फोरहेड पे. ओनली वन हॉर्न, वन सिंग होता है. तो आई वॉन्ट टू बी दैट. आई वॉन्ट टू बी लॉस्ट ग्लेड बनना चाहता हूँ, बट मैं वहाँ पर चाहता हूँ कि मैं वहाँ यूनिकॉर्न्स के साथ खेलूँ. तो दे डू नॉट रियलाइज आई कैन फुलफिल एनी एम्बिशन. दे डू नॉट रियलाइज दैट अमंग देम वर्क्स अ मैजिशियन. अगेन आई वॉन्ट टू बी अ मैजिशियन. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.